Hi everybody, and welcome to today's ISA Product Spotlight. Today we're going to be highlighting Secutron addressable devices. So guys, on our last video we actually talked about Mircom parts, and Mircom has similar items like Secutron. They're intelligent addressable devices. Mircom actually had new part numbers come out that had an AP at the end, which is Advanced Protocol. Secutron essentially never changed their products' part numbers. So, a lot of the same ones, if you wanted a 2251B smokehead, that's actually an MRI-2251B still. They didn't upgrade them. So if you have questions about what is available as a Secutron version that will stay with the original part numbers, let us know. Your account manager can help you track them down. This is Nick Dumeier. We'll talk to you again soon.